Hyderabad.
Hi guys, my name is Dayanand. My topic is symmetrical introduction about symmetrical components. The meaning of symmetrical is in which current magnitude and voltage magnitude are equal and the phasor angle between two components are 120 degree displaced by each other. We are considering single line diagram for three phase, in which for calculating the single phase we are considering single phase. In single phase we are taking single line diagram and impedance diagram, reactance diagram. In single line diagram we are taking the components of the system with their ratings as shown in the above figure. In impedance diagram we are considering transformer, transmission line and loads as shown in above figure. In reactance diagram we are neglecting the capacitance and sent impedances, resistances as shown in the above figure.
Hi, myself Ashok Kumar. I am going to discuss about resolution of unbalanced phasors into symmetrical components. Some theorem is given on this topic on one of the scientists, which is Fortescue. A set of three unbalanced phasors, that is voltage or current, can be resolved into three sets of balanced phasors, each set containing three phasors. The three sets of balanced components are called positive sequence components, negative sequence components and zero sequence components. Positive sequence components consist of three balanced phasors of equal magnitude displaced from each other by 120 degree in phase and having the same phase sequence as the original unbalanced phasors. Negative sequence components consist of three balanced phasors of equal magnitude displaced from each other by 120 degree in phase and having a phase sequence opposite to that of the original unbalanced phasors. Zero sequence components are a set of three phasors equal in magnitude with zero displacement from each other. Consider three balanced phasors VA, VB and VC as shown in figure. Let the direction of rotation of phasors be in the anti-clockwise direction. Then it can be observed that the phase sequence of these three unbalanced phasors is ABC. The positive sequence components VA1, VB1 and VC1 as shown in the figure 3.2a constituting a three-phase systems are equal in magnitude and are symmetrically displaced by 120 degree. They have the same phase sequence ABC as the original unbalanced phasors. The negative components VA2, VB2 and VC2 as shown in figure 3.2b constituting a three-phase systems are equal in magnitude, symmetrically displaced by 120 degree and have the same sequence ACB opposite to that of the original phasors.
Hi everyone, myself Jagannath. I am continuing the part of Ashok Kumar, the resolution of unsymmetrical phasors into unbalanced phasors into symmetrical components. As he told, the unbalanced phasors can be resolved into positive and negative and zero sequences. The positive sequence consists of the positive sequence has positive sequence, negative sequence and zero sequence are as shown in the figure. And then my actual topic is operator A. As we know in case of complex numbers, the operator J indicates the magnitude 1 and the phase angle is 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. As in case of complex numbers, we are using operator A in power systems to solve the unbalanced phasors. The operator A has a magnitude of 1 and the angle is 120 degree in anti-clockwise direction. This reduces the complexity of the equation and can be represent a vector with a simplified form. The vector A VA can be represented with its magnitude VA into A that indicates the vector has an angle of 120 degree in anti-clockwise direction and the magnitude of that vector is VA. Similar to that, we have operator, same operator can be used to solve the angle of multiple angles of 120. That a square indicates minus 240 degree angle, a cube indicates 360 degree angle, and the a4 is equal to a, same as 120 degree angle. This operator can be used while deriving the equation. This reduces the complexity of the equation, and this is a simpler form of expressing the equation. The expansion of operator A is a cos alpha plus b into j sin alpha, where alpha is the 120 degree angle in anti-clockwise direction. Applications of symmetrical components. The symmetrical components are used while solving the unbalanced phasors. Myself Manjunath. My topic is symmetrical components. The symmetrical components concept can be used while solving the unbalanced phasors. Unbalanced phasors, as we talk about previously, unbalanced phasors can be represented using three forms of balanced phasors that will help you while solving the power system, and this provides the mathematical tool. And the symmetrical components can be called the language of the relay engineer or technician.